Looking to create AI product photos in CapCut? Hi, I am Jessica from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will guide you through the creating professional product photos using CapCut's AI tool. Open CapCut. Tap on Product Photos. Select the photos where you want to create AI professional product. Tap on Edit More. Tap on the photo. Click on Remove Background. Now search for AI background. Click on it. Here you can find many options. Choose any one of them. You can even readjust the size. Tap on Size. Here are many recommendations like Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, and many more. Here I am going with Instagram post. Tap on Create. Tap on the photo and readjust it. You can even add text. Select the templates as required. And readjust it. Once satisfied, export your product by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can easily create professional photo product on a budget. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.